Are you having problems that your Google Home is not showing your local device and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it. So firstly, what I had to do is to close my Google Home app, and instead I had to go into the settings app on my phone. And then I scrolled down, I clicked on general, and I clicked on storage right here, as you can see. And then I had to wait a couple of seconds for this one to finish the loading process here, as you can see, and then swipe up and search for home right here. So click on Google Home and then click on offload app. And once again, click on offload app in here. And you're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to finish here, as you can see. So we're just going to wait. You will see reinstall app here when it's done uploading it, basically. So we need to wait and click on reinstall app now. So basically what this does is that it's going to force your Google Home to update to its latest version. So if they have like a new update, it can sometimes actually bug this Google Home app completely. And one of the bugs is that it's not going to show your local device, as an example. So I did this myself, and then I went back and I tried once again. And this actually fixed it for me, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.